Hi everyone, so today I'm sharing a beautiful inspiration which is an embroidery hoop. It's a recycled project where I have used an old embroidery hoop which I wasn't using from a long time, and to start with I'm using a twine. So now I'm applying a Yoo-hoo glue on it and stick a transparent plastic, or if you have acrylic sheet then go for it. And this is how it should be. So for the base of this project I'm using this cardstock, and this cardstock is also from DRESSMYCRAFT, and this is acrylic sheet, and here goes some transfer sheets, and these transfer sheets are also from DRESSMYCRAFT, and trust me, they have huge variety of transfer sheet. And now this one is LiQWYD which I'm using. So this is another part of the hoop, which is the smaller circle, and this is the larger one, and I plan to layer them together like this. So now let's paint the hoop. I have used gesso here, but you can use white acrylic paint or your desired colored paint. So a smaller hoop will have a cardstock backing. So now is the time to fill this with blings, and I am using different sequins and flower pearls from DRESSMYCRAFT and some beads. So now it's time to embellish it, where I have used flowers and butterflies. So now this is going to be the front frame, so I'm painting it green, and then I have applied flower pearls, and I just wanted to give a beautiful texture on the front frame. So I think so flower pearls looks really beautiful. And now finally sticking all the pieces together and adding some more twines to make it colorful. And for the edges I have used gold reactive foil to give a really fine look. And I hope that you like this project. Do let me know in the comments, and have a great day.